Welcome to week 4. This week we will be doing organizations and information systems. The reading will be from Cronky 2017, Chapter 7, Organization and Information Systems, CE9, Enterprise Resource Planning, ERP Systems, and CE10, Supply Chain Management. We have weekly discussions as usual, case study, collaboration exercise, annotated bibliography. We'll create 2 more entries. And there will be a written assignment from the collaboration exercise and annotated bibliography. Submit 2 for grading. Week 4, Organizations and Information Systems. This week, you will explore how information technology provides a competitive advantage for companies to achieve desired outcomes and improve organizational effectiveness and efficiency. The ability of companies to gather, analyze, and act on information to achieve organizational results is of paramount importance in today's world. A key focus of the IT function is the application of technology to enhance organizational results and improve an organization's performance. Specifically, you will focus on customer relationship management, enterprise resource planning systems, and supply chain management. Additionally, you will explore the roles of business analysts in system design and the potential impacts on organizations. This exploration will help you understand how technology can be applied to information management to create systems that aid in providing a competitive advantage for companies. Learning outcomes. Upon completion of this learning topic, you should be able to analyze how information technology is applied to create a competitive advantage for companies, describe and analyze customer relationship management systems, enterprise resource management systems, supply chain management systems. Articulate the issues and benefits of the enterprise-wide application of information management system, such as a supply chain management system, customer relationship management system, and enterprise resource management system. Complete the readings and resources for this week as listed in the course assignments and activities table in the course syllabus. The discussion questions or topics for this week will be number 1, as a reply to this message, please describe CRM, ERP, EAI support, and enterprise systems. Please include research and or an example to support your statement. And the second one will be after reading CE10, supply chain management, on pages 527 to 534. Please briefly describe the 4 factors that affect supply chain performance. Describe how the development of self-driving cars or 3D printing will affect these factors. The case study. The case study for the week is case study 7, A Tale of Two Inter-Organization IS, pages 205 to 207. As a reply to this message, please review/analyze the case and answer the following questions. Summarize the purpose and intended benefits of a healthcare exchange. Explain why a healthcare exchange requires an inter-organizational information system, including the difficulties and challenges of developing inter-organization information systems. What do you believe are the reasons for the Access CT success? And summarize the key learnings you can take from the Access CT and cover Oregon projects. The collaboration exercises, I have set up a group discussion, and these directions will be there. Reed, Cronky, and Boyle, 2017, CE9, Enterprise Resource Planning Systems, page 512, and CE10, Supply Chain Management, page 527. And again, this will be the group collaboration exercise, same teams. Use your group discussion forum to talk to each other only, no outside emails. Each team needs to discuss one of the following topics regarding the challenges when implementing and upgrading the enterprises. So there are Team 1, collaboration management, Team 2, required gaps, Team 3, transition problems. Each team needs to answer the following questions. Define the challenge and why it is a challenge for enterprise systems. Give examples of ERP failures where this occurred. Give examples of how companies have successfully overcome these challenges. By Wednesday night, one person from each team will compile and post their team's results for the whole class. From Thursday through Sunday, each student should respond at least once to each group's posting, excluding your group, making a significant contribution and comment. Written assignment. Following APA-style guidelines, prepare a 2-page paper, not including the cover page and the reference page, describing the Enterprise Resource Planning System. In this paper, please include advantages and disadvantages of ERP. No less than 3 articles must support your research essay. Remember, you must cite an article for it to appear in your reference list. Anything that is cited must be listed in the references, and if it is not cited, it cannot be listed in the reference list. Your reference list must have at least 3 scholarly references cited. And again, we're going to just click on these rubrics, and they will give a little bit more instructions or detail if you have any questions. You will place your completed paper in the collaboration exercise write-up assignment drop by midnight Sunday. And the last is the annotated bibliography. I'm going to add 2 entries to your ABs. You should have at least 2 highlighted from last week and 2 this week. Research 1 article on ERPs. Your other AB entry should be related to supply chain management. Submit your updated annotated bibliography to the annotated bibliography part 2 Dropbox by midnight Sunday this week. And again, we have the assignment doc, the sample, and the annotated bibliography rubric. If there are any questions and these don't answer your questions, you can always send me an email.